Okay, I have one card. When the deck of card here like this, okay, you just cut here, cut here, cut here, okay, cut like that, okay. When I go down like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want me to stop anywhere, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You stop 10 here, okay, okay, okay. Stop 10 here. I just put the paper here, okay, and I put here like this. And now I have already prediction inside here, okay. The prediction is Joker. Joker. Now come and see here. Take out here and take out here. Here is Joker. Now you come and see. Here is normal card. Here also normal card. Okay. You see? This is a Joker. You see? And then how to do? How to do? How to do? You have to do like this. You put the Joker here, okay? This Joker also, you see? Different color, you see? Joker different color, okay? Different color, okay? You just do like this. You take that red Joker here, or any number, okay? But much same number. Put inside the box here. And you just put somewhere there. Now, depend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now 15. You put 15 card here. Okay. Okay. The 15 number here. You see. Okay. This one we when we cut like this, we just full cut. Okay. Here like this. Okay. Put here. After now you number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 here. It's Joker, okay? You use your people who says stop. It's your people. Understand? Okay, we call it. If you want to me stop, you can tell stop, okay? Your people said stop. Okay, we stop here. We stop here. It's already Joker. You see? We just okay. We just put some card here, like that, and we put here like that. Okay. Now we come and see what is the prediction here. Understand? Here is a Joker. Okay. Now we come and take here, take out. Okay. Here, this is number 15. It's Joker. Same Joker, but the color different. Understand? Understand, huh? Okay. Understand. If you don't understand, but after that, we just spread the card. Yeah. Okay, only this one, Joker number. This one also. All different. Okay? Yes, you know now.